Never get caught stranded in the great outdoors without a survival tool. You guys know how I'm a big fan of survival and tactical tools. Well, let me introduce to you this RoverTac 14-in-1 axe multi-tool. So straight out of the box, you have a thank you card, and looks like this rubber sleeve is probably used to protect the axe maybe. But then you have this nice nylon with a RoverTac. I wasn't expecting this. Wow, look at how impressive this is. You can put your whole axe in here, and what's awesome about this, you can put it on your belt so you can carry it with you anywhere, making it easy, especially on hiking or camping trips. All right, so as you can see, what are the 14 tools? Right off the bat, we have that axe. Okay, before I get into the 13 additional functions, this measures 8.86 inches and 3.62. It weighs a mere 15.9 ounces, so almost a pound. I really like that red finish. It really makes it look nice. Okay, so that's the axe, and there's the hammer. Now, if you lift up on here, I think, yeah, this is the fire starter along with the whistle. I'm waiting until I'm on a hiking trail outdoors to use that to test this out. Okay, so fold it easily. Going along down here, how do you open this? Okay, so we're gonna somehow pop this open. With fingernails. Oh, my bad. I think this is to press down. So you have, watch out. Wow, that's a nice sharp blade. Look at how I wasn't expecting it to be that long. So that's the blade knife, and this is the flathead screwdriver, can opener, assorted size hex wrench, along with a bottle opener. And then this is the Phillips screwdriver with, is this the fish scaler? I think that is called a fish scaler. Yeah, you see how that's curved? Okay, and then one more, this long tool right here. We have the saw along with, I think there's a ruler built in, see, in inches, all the way up to 5 inches. Oh, and I left something out. On the Phillips screwdriver is a file. See, file on both sides. You can file a fingernail. All right, let's fold everything back in orderly fashion. Oh, I get it. Oh, this is used for the knife. Now that makes sense. Otherwise, it will stay intact. Okay, so that's what's used for. Now I know all of the functions. Oh, actually, this is to release the tension. It doesn't matter what you have, knife, screwdriver, or whatever. This is to fold it down easier. I get this button now. All right, so let's start out by testing the flathead screwdriver. I got a loose screw right here. Hey, it works. It's not the best, but it works. Whatever works. So I have a loose screw right here. I'm gonna tighten it with this Phillips screwdriver head. See if it turns easily. Oh yeah, that works. And in terms of any hex nuts, so you just imagine, you know, if you have a bolt, you can loosen or tighten it by using one of the configurations and by turning it. Piece of cake. I'm in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, great outdoors. It is quite a warm 80 degrees and sunny day. It's time to test out the remaining features of this multi-tool axe. All right, the whistle function. Here we go. Wow, that's pretty loud. Okay, the hammer function. Got a nail right here. Oh, that did the job. All right, now for the axe. I know we've all been waiting for this. Hey, that did the job. And then the saw. How about this little branch right here? I don't know what kind of shrubbery this is, but it seems to do the job. There you have it. And lastly, the fire starter. So this is called the Flint Starter, and you need something metallic, so you can use any of these attachments. Probably use the file because it's shorter. So you simply strike it on the surface to create a spark. It has to be quick and successive. Oh, y'all see that? There's a slight breeze. Oh, I saw a spark. Hey, it works. Wow, I'm absolutely falling in love with this multi-tool axe. It is so cool and fun to use. This would definitely belong in my survival tool backpack, always at the ready, whatever the situation. So if you're looking for a camping or hiking or simply a survival tool, this has everything you need. So definitely check out the RoverTac 14-in-1 multi-tool axe.